one thing that we always have to remember is that there are various types of operating systems, fine. These operating systems have their usage. So normally on personal computers, majority of us would be having Windows, which is fine. It's a good operating system. Some of us may be having Linux, which is also not a bad one. Some may be also using the Mac OS, which is also good. There are a few other ones that you could also use, like there is other ones. So there is the one for Android. So basically, there are various operating systems that can be used in this setting, but there's a reason why everybody would prefer Linux in the IT setting. So in the context of what we're going to be discussing, the operating system of choice would be Linux. And for every IT person, it's just like learning your vocabulary. So if you're going to go into IT and you're not going to know about Linux, then it means that you're not really going into proper IT. And so we're going to be looking at how Linux works and how to use Linux and why we think it's important.